We're at 62197 North 10th Street in Slidell. We're off of Highway 11, convenient area. Just jet down Highway 11, you're at I-12, all the shopping that you want. Come check out the inside of this newer mobile home. It's 1,300 plus square feet, more like 1,310, 3 beds, 2 full baths. It's newer. But I'm saying let's go inside. Let's check out, there's a little sunroom right here that was built on by the owner. Sunroom, screen porch, whatever you want to label it. It gives you a little outdoor live-in when you open up the windows. And let's see that first on the way to the inside of the house. So this was a porch and it was closed in by the owner. You can see there's just a couple little painting things going on, but they're making it fresh and clean and new for whoever the new owner is going to be. Inside, it really is well appointed. It is a split floor plan also. Now we're keeping it a little, the window on this side is covered, so that's why it's a little less natural light than normally what we do in our videos, but it also keeps it nice and cool in here. So vinyl plank floors, the open kitchen, living room, dining area is nice. I love the upgraded light fixtures. It has a nice classiness to the whole place. It really does. Notice the kitchen. It's a granite looking Formica. It looks wonderful. And you have a little sit-in area right here. Electric stove. And there's storage in the island as well. So you see on that side. More cabinets over here. And this would be like your pantry, the verticals that you have. And then laundry area. So laundry here. More storage over here, so that could be more pantry space. And then here's the back door. So here's bedroom number 1. Love the pink gaming chair, by the way. All throughout the house, you're going to see that there's this nice, they did a nice job on some shiplap siding just to make it different. And it really adds a certain warmth and comfort level to the whole house. Here's bedroom number 2. This one has a nice big closet. And here's one of the 2 full bathrooms. You can see this is a stone counter right here, a vanity. And then you have a really clean tub surround. Again, this mobile home is only a few years old. You can see the shiplap on the wall. And over here on the other side of the house is the master. Big room. That is a king size bed. So this is a good size room. And more of a garden tub right here. Same very clean surround. And around this nook you have the closet. Currently used for just some storage, but you can see it's a good size closet as well. So coming from around, so when we first shot, you can see, so here's the driveway, street, so it's driveway parking. You have no neighbors here on the side. It's a nice little walk. See, here's the back door from the laundry room. And you have a nice little back door, backyard area right here. So that's the house. Come check it out. We'd love to have you. If you have an agent, of course, let them know you want to see it. And if you don't have an agent, let us know you want to see it. We're happy to show it to you. We do appreciate you for tuning in. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.